Protection is more than what we do, it's who we are. From our first glove to protecting millions of hands worldwide, we have stood by healthcare heroes, engineers, farmers, and electricians, the hands that make life possible. From a single factory in 1976 to a global leader today, through every challenge, through every breakthrough, we built, we innovated, we protected. And for us, protection goes beyond gloves. We protect our people, our planet, our suppliers, and our communities. We protect families, dreams, and futures. And we will continue to do so today, tomorrow, and always. As we step into our 50th year, it is with pride and purpose that we unveil the 50th anniversary logo. The number 50 stands for 50 years of protecting billions of hands around the world, a golden milestone of impact and commitment. The 7 rising lines resemble our 7 global marketing offices, each joining the DPL family at different times, now rising upward together as one united force. The rubber tree branch symbolizes our own plantations, our key raw material, rubber. It also reflects our commitment to green and sustainable practices and environmentally friendly manufacturing operations. The shield represents the strength and reliability of the protection we promise with every glove. And within the shield, 2 hands forming a heart representing our purpose statement, protecting you always. Because at DPL, protecting you always has been and always will be our purpose.